Unveiling Cilacap Expo 2023.
Showcasing unity, culture, and economic triumph.
Discover the vibrant tapestry of Cilacap's potential at the Pinnacle event of the year.
Step right into the vibrant world of Cilacap Expo 2023, where the local government is hosting a captivating event aimed at showcasing the region's finest offerings.
I'm here to guide you through the key highlights of this exciting exhibition.
Officially inaugurated by the Acting Regent of Cilacap, Yunita Dyah Suminar, on August 24, 2023, at the Cilacap Town Square, this expo is set to run until August 28.
Under the inspiring theme Uniting to Build Grassroots Economy for a Progressing Cilacap and Indonesia, this event aims to boost the local economy and open new market avenues for small and medium-sized enterprises.
With a total of 183 participating stands, Cilacap Expo is a hub of diverse products and public services.
Iskandar Zulkarnain, head of the Economic Division in the Cilacap Regency Secretary Office and the event's organizer, emphasized that the Expo's goal is to promote various regional potentials across sectors and provide new market opportunities for creative economy and local businesses.
On a national scale, this exhibition highlights crucial aspects such as infrastructure, investment, business, industry, trade, and public services.
But that's not all. Visitors can also explore the worlds of tourism, creative economy, agriculture, fisheries, education, health, stand-up products from local enterprises, village showcase, and community-owned enterprises.
Acting Regent Yunita Dyah Suminar noted that Cilacap Expo 2023 is more than just a display of products.
It's a celebration of Indonesia's culinary richness, featuring an array of traditional delicacies.
Cultural performances and entertainment stages further add to the festive atmosphere, ensuring a delightful experience for visitors of all ages.
The arts and culture of Cilacap Regency are truly at the heart of this event, contributing to the local economy's growth through their unique allure.
For micro and small business owners, the Glowing SMEs Forum provides a valuable networking opportunity.
Exciting activities like coloring contests for early childhood education and an Instagram Reels competition at Cilacap Expo 2023 invite active participation from the community.
Not to mention, accolades will be presented to the most captivating stands that catch everyone's eye.
In closing, as the chairman of Cilacap's Regional People's Representative Council, Taufik Nuridayat hopes that Cilacap Expo 2023 transcends mere exhibition status.
It's a true reflection of collaborative spirit and economic advancement.
Discover the enchanting land of Cilacap.
Unveiling the essence of Javanese culture and natural splendor.
Embark on a journey to Cilacap Expo 2023, where tradition, beauty, and prosperity converge.
Welcome, esteemed viewers, to a realm of wonder and cultural grandeur, where history intertwines with the present, and the splendors of Cilacap come to light.
Today, we delve into the heart of Cilacap Expo 2023, an event that beckons you to explore the soul of Javanese heritage and the boundless potential of this enchanting land.
Nestled within the embrace of Central Java, Indonesia, lies the captivating region of Cilacap.
Its beating heart, the city of Cilacap, resonates with centuries of history and cultural fusion.
Embracing its role as a cultural crossroads, Cilacap has long been a meeting point between the Banyumasan and Sundanese cultures.
This rich amalgamation is beautifully mirrored in the fabric of daily life, from art and language to customs and traditions.
Imagine immersing yourself in the Cilacap Expo 2023, a 5-day extravaganza that celebrates this diverse heritage.
It's not just an expo, it's a living tapestry of innovation and tradition, where 183 stands breathe life into local products, services, and the ever-evolving creative spirit.
Cilacap's geographical canvas is equally captivating.
Its terrain, from rolling hills to sweeping lowlands, mirrors the harmony between the land and its people. With the shimmering Indian Ocean to the south and the verdant forests covering the north, east, and south, nature's beauty is ever present.
But Cilacap is not just about its landscapes, it's about the people who call it home.
A unique blend of Sunda and Javanese cultures thrives here, a testament to its historical tapestry.
From the enchanting art forms to the flavors that tantalize your taste buds,
As you navigate the expo, a symphony of aromas and flavors will awaken your senses.
Indulge in the culinary treasures that have been passed down through generations, a true celebration of Indonesia's rich gastronomic heritage.
Calling out to the entrepreneurs, innovators, and creative minds, Cilacap Expo offers a unique platform for networking and collaboration.
It's more than just business. It's about forging connections that can reshape the local economic landscape.
But the magic doesn't stop there.
Witness the vibrant competitions, from coloring contests to IG Reels creations, all celebrating the community's artistic talents and youthful spirit.
Ladies and gentlemen, as you've seen, Cilacap Expo 2023 is not just an event.
It's a journey of exploration, a celebration of culture, and a glimpse into the promising future that awaits this captivating land.
Join us and let's embark on this unforgettable voyage together.